In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Facebook email address. All you have to need, go to your Facebook and log into your Facebook account. Now tap on your profile photo and tap on the settings icon. Tap on Account Center. Under Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Tap on Contact Info. And here you will find all of your add date, emails and phone numbers. To add a new email address or to change your email address, first of all you have to add the new email address. So tap on Add Email, and now in this box type the email address that you want to add or say to your Facebook. Now choose the Facebook account in which account you are going to add the new email address, then tap on Next. And now you have to verify your Facebook account current email address or phone number. So I'm selecting here try another way, and I'm selecting my current email address to verify. So you can see the mail successfully sent. I'm just going to my Gmail to collect the verification mail. So here's the code. I'm just copying the code, verification code, and going back here and pasting the code, tapping on continue to verify my Facebook account current email address. Okay, now tapping on next. And now we have to confirm our new email address. So get a verification code to the email, just switch to the new email address. So here's the confirmation code. I'm just copying it from here and going back to Facebook, pasting the code in here, tapping on next. And as you can see, I've successfully added my new email address in this contact list. Now it's time to remove or delete our old. So all you have to need, just tap on your old email address, tap on delete email, and delete the email address from your Facebook account. And this is how we can actually change our email address in Facebook. Thanks for watching.